At Bomber, we love CAD, and we love what our talented users can do with state-of-the-art tools like Autodesk Fusion 360 or SolidWorks. But sometimes, parametric models and constraints can get in the way and make it hard to truly express your creativity or your design intent. Sometimes you need less to be able to do more. Now, we strongly believe that you should be empowered to use the tools that you already know to do the job that you have to do. And when we look around at design tools that maximize both familiarity and unchained creativity, one tool jumps out as a clear winner. This software is installed all over the world, and almost everyone who has used a computer is familiar with it, so we wanted to bring the power and flexibility of Bomber to all of these creative users. Today, I'm proud to announce our new product, Bommer for MS Paint. MS Paint is used by millions of people worldwide to produce vast quantities of creative works. It was only natural that we would want to support these efforts by ensuring they have best-in-class bill of materials tables to go with their drawings. This is really exciting, but don't take my word for it. Let me hand this over to an engineer to show you how this works.
Thanks, Jesse. I'm super excited to show off Bomber for MS Paint. And to get started, let me share with you this bird I'm building. This is a complex mechanical bird. And now that I have the design complete, I need to draft it. First things first, I'll place the bird on the canvas. There we go. This really represents my design well. Now, let's place it in the corner. Great. And next, I need a bill of materials table. Now, this is typically where my MS Paint-based engineering workflow falls apart, but no more. With Bomber for Paint, I can just click this button and there we go. This is perfect. It has a head, a neck scribble, and obviously we need two halves of the beak. So this is ready to go.
Thank you, Angie. Wow, that was really exciting, and I cannot wait to see what MS Paint users can do now that they can produce accurate bills of materials. Bomber strives to always meet our users where they work, and now users of MS Paint will join other Bomber users in the assurance that if they can draw it, we can count it, organize it, and place it on their canvas. Thank you for spending time with us, and happy drawing.